If you want to learn how to use the law of attraction to manifest what you want fast, there are a few powerful secrets that are the baseline to all of the techniques I provide on this channel. Follow these 5 manifestation secrets to tap into the power you hold to create a life you love. Number 1, with risk comes great rewards. Protecting yourself from what you perceive as failure has the tendency to block your manifestations from showing up. If you want to manifest something extraordinary in your life, you're going to have to do something extraordinary. And that means thinking and acting in ways that are outside of the box. After all, what have you been experiencing in the box you're currently residing in? Everything else is outside of that. When you chase your dreams, the forecast of your future begins to instantly change. That means any risk you perceive isn't actually risk at all. If you're standing still, you're not creating anything new. But when you expand your vision, you expand your life's experiences. Number 2, manifesting intentionally is your birthright. Manifesting experiences isn't difficult. You're doing it all the time. For instance, you have the experience of abundance each and every day. It's only that there are varying degrees of that. Your choice is to decide with firmness which experience of abundance you'd like to have in order to tip the odds in your favor. You probably already know that if you're focusing on the lack of abundance, that is the experience you will have. So think of it like a seesaw. If you're putting all of your weight on one side, it keeps that side rooted in place. To experience something different, you shift your energy elsewhere and stay there until you see a shift. This puts you in charge of creating intentional outcomes. Number 3, be authentic and watch your manifestations take off. You came into this world as a unique and individualized expression intended for a unique and individualized experience. Set the intention that you will not allow others to dictate how you think, believe, feel, or behave, and that you will follow your own unique path. When we let the outside world determine what happens internally, we give all of our power away. And with that, we aren't creating from a soul level. We're creating from someone else's perspective. But when we are authentic and stay true to our authenticity, we open the door of ourselves to the universe so that abundance can begin to flow through us and manifest in our lives in infinite ways. Number 4, be okay with wanting. We are always going to want something in our lives. It's a natural part of being human. And although wanting does not equate to having, it's an important part of the manifestation process. We must have a desire for something in our lives in order to even know it's something we'd like to create. Wanting is the first step in creating. So be okay with the phase of actually wanting something in the first place, and don't ignore the fact that this is the seed to your manifestation. Then nurture that seed, find out what it takes to match it, and then attract it. And once it's been created, start wanting some more. Number 5, your personal identity is the key to all of your experiences. When you stop trying to manifest things and tap into your sense of being, you hold all the cards regarding the experiences that you create in your life. How do you describe yourself? What labels have you attached to yourself that don't align with what you really want to create in life? The ways in which we do this has a great influence on how we feel, act, and therefore manifest. Your personal energy, which is the most powerful creative force in the world, can move you into a reality that is beyond your wildest dreams. By changing the ways in which you speak about yourself and label yourself, you can begin to intentionally work on becoming the type of person who has the things you wish to create. In other words, start identifying with a positive identity. Elevate your thinking, elevate your emotions, elevate your behavior, and then watch as the world delivers to you elevated circumstances. Each person has a special place within them that connects directly to the limitless potential of the universe. When you tap into that place by enjoying your desires, being authentic, manifesting intentionally with focus, becoming the type of person who knows they are an abundant creator, and stepping outside of your box, you tap into your point of power with the law of attraction and amplify your creations. And when that happens, you can only magnetize to you the most wonderful of experiences.